Yo, what is up? It's the Cosmic here.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Yo, pick it up. Pick it up. What is up, fam? The Cosmic here. And I just wanted to tell you about my day. And I have made an awesome gains. I mean, they're not nothing huge, but comparing what I've made here, $129 to my bet of $258, that's a 58% gain. And how did I make that? Trading space. But Derek, how did he make a 58% gain if space only rose 13%? Options, my friend. Options. It's just insane. Here, I'll even pull this thing up right here. All right. So earlier today, I was buying space options. I was doing the July 10th call, and I just sold out on my 19 call, which I'm glad because I bought it at 59, and now it's down at 58 again. But I sold it at I believe 72. I could have sold it for more, but I got greedy and held on to it. But that's not the moral of the story. The moral of the story is these options are moving, high volume, lower open interest. The volume over open interest is higher. So this one, the $19 call, that was a great call to take because it's a 10. Yeah, volume over open interest is 10. That's amazing. So why am I going to be start day trading options now? Well, mainly because I freaking hate the small gains that stocks get you. I get in my heart's pounding just to make a 20% gain, like WTF. When I can get in an option, spend less money, and have the potential higher upside for that option. So that's what I'm looking at. This is by the way, E-Trade Pro. This is my option chain. I'll probably be using E-Trade for my option trading only. And I actually did switch to another broker, which I do want to show y'all. Webull. Webull is actually pretty dope. Zero commissions on option stocks or ETFs, which is awesome. On top of that, they give you a free stock whenever you sign up. And if you please click the link that I will provide down below in the description to sign up. If you open up an account under that link and you put in $100, you will get not only that one free stock for opening the account, but you get another free stock off that deposit of $100 that is priced between $12 and $1,400. It's just really awesome. So I will post that link down below. Why am I wanting Webull? Why did I get Webull over E-Trade? Because Webull does 4 a.m. trading. And what happens 4 a.m.? Well, it's called the 4 a.m. news spike, my friend. And at 4 a.m. is whenever you get a shot ton of stocks going 100, 200, 300%, then fading off the rest of the day. So I love Webull. I will be starting using that, and actually tomorrow in my Discord server, also link down below, I will be doing live trading at 4 a.m. Eastern to show y'all kind of what I look for in these 4 a.m. news spikes. And if you want, get it. It's awesome. Webull's awesome. Great platform, easy to use charts. Here, I'll actually pull up the charts for you, just so we can see them. So let's go to our platform, our trade. And this Webull can either be a web-based trading system or a download. So you can, if you go back up here, you can hit platform to find the option to download for whatever you got. So I do have it on the app, and I also have it for my Windows. This is just the basic, or not basic. I mean, it's charting system, and you can dock these, you can play with them, move them all around, whatever you want to do. This stuff is really cool. I love it. And I mean, you can see in URO, I'm actually down a bit because I chased the spike, and see right here, it's yeah, I chased the spike, and I shouldn't have done that, but I'm not worried. I mean, it's only that much. But I'm not going to be doing any massive 4 a.m. trading. I'm still waiting on cash to get settled into my account. So you'll see me place maybe 1 trade, maybe 2 trades. Just depends on my mood. And in the future, I will start be doing YouTube live, YouTube streaming. So if y'all are interested, stay tuned. I want to hear your feedback. If you want me to do Twitch or any other type of platform like that, just let me know, because I am trying to move away from streaming on our Discord channel and having a more central location that's good for streaming and will automatically record it and back it up. So I'm not trying to record my stream and stream at the same time. But without that, fam, like, get Webull. I mean, why not? 0%, 0 commission. You get all these tools. Level 2 is like $24 a month. It's nothing huge. I'm not going to get level 2 because I still have E-Trade level 2, and I don't need a second one personally. But and also stick tuned, because I will be starting to give out option tips. Just what's hot and what's happening in certain stocks. Typically unusual option activity. I don't want y'all trading off my tips. I want y'all to do your own research. Be self-sufficient. And with that being said, thank you so much, guys, for tuning in to the Anonymous Traders Stock Cast with the Cosmic. And today was a trade recap. I love you guys. Y'all have a good one. Peace.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.